Leader Feeder is brought to you by the Frontline Leadership Training Program. Whether it's our on-site solution or enrolling people into our public workshops, our 2-day Frontline Leadership Program gives supervisors, managers, and team leaders all the skills they need to drive better operating results and employee engagement. Visit us online at uniquedevelopment.com. In this Leader Feeder, we'll look at when incompetence is actually good. Most of us don't like to be told that we're incompetent, and in many cases, people tend to get defensive instead of admitting they don't know something. But it can be very helpful to admit when you don't know or don't understand something. In the context of training employees on the shop floor, there will be a tendency for the employee to give a false signal that they understand before they actually do. This is because they want the person who is training them to think they're capable and ready to perform the job, rather than admitting that they needed to explain to them again. The reality is that we don't know far more than what we do know. As the leader, people will take their lead from your behavior. Do you admit mistakes and not knowing something, or do you act overly aggressive when you're challenged on an area of weakness? When you as the leader make it comfortable for your team members to admit their weaknesses, you'll achieve greater performance, better quality, and create a safer work environment. And there's one final benefit to assuming you don't know something. When you listen to someone, there's a tendency to jump to conclusions and make incorrect assumptions. Instead, why not pause and ask the person to clarify what they said, or ask a question to better understand before you respond? Once you've gotten better as a leader at not only admitting your own areas of weakness, but encouraging your employees to also admit when they don't know, you might decide that you want to work on some of your other leadership skills. Remember, we offer many resources, including on-site workshops, our public workshops, or one of the many resources that you can access on our website. Just visit us at uniquedevelopment.com. And on social media, you can connect on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook. Just search out Frontline Leader.